The other day, after we made Thai beef salad, I said to myself, wow, this flavor profile would go so well with an oily fish, and I had hamachi, yellowtail, in mind. Thinking a bit deeper, it makes perfect sense. You have the salinity from the fish sauce, the acidity from the lime juice, a bit of a kick from the bird's eye chilies, a bit of umami, the same exact flavor profile of yellowtail jalapeno, a dish we've already cooked on this channel. So today, the moment I saw this beautiful piece of yellowtail belly, I thought we have to do it. A bit of Thai cooking techniques, a bit of Japanese cooking techniques, a bit of W2 kitchen mess, and hopefully in 10 minutes, something tasty. The star of the show, besides the belly, is the dressing. And to make that really special, we have the secret ingredient, the key to many wonderful Thai dishes. We have our coriander roots. Now, these I buy from my local Thai store. Outside of Asia, it's very difficult to get. So if you don't have them, just use the stalks, but double the volume. And these are extremely flavorful. Since we have one portion, we're going to take one root with a bit of the stalk. We'll of course save the leaves for garnish. So we slice it a bit to help it get started. And since we're kind of doing a fusion dish, I thought why not jalapeno? So they go in. Even if you have a high spice tolerance, I would avoid the seeds and just use more chili, because that's where the flavor is. So that's plenty, and we make a paste. I must say, having researched quite a few Thai recipes, this is a wonderful flavor extraction technique that you could adopt for whatever you're cooking. Instead of steeping some aromatic vegetables in cold or hot water or flavor some liquid, you can pound it, break the cell membranes, and really get the most out of it. Once you have a paste-ish, and it's okay to see a bit of skin, we add the two heroes, the Thai fish sauce, which brings salinity and umami, just like the soy sauce in yellowtail jalapeno. And this is strong, so be gentle. You can always add after. And lime juice. I would say start with 1:1 and you taste and adjust. Oh, brilliant. A touch more fish sauce. Now, for our garnish, we have some cherry tomatoes, which is quite common in a Thai salad. And for me, to really take this to the next level, I'm going to quarter them and let them marinate in our dressing. This, of course, would season the tomato. But more importantly, the salt from the fish sauce would draw out the wonderful glutamic acid from the tomato. Nature's version of MSG that is full of umami. So that we not only get a very flavorsome garnish out of it, we also get a lot more umami in our dressing. Perfect. Now, to help this wonderful dressing cling on to this beautiful fish fillet, we utilize another Japanese technique with Western supermarket ingredient. We're gonna grate a bit of turnip and add to this dressing. Again, the recipe is not even a guideline, but more of a thought process. I'm not encouraging you to follow this messy recipe 1-for-1, but instead consider perhaps to incorporate these techniques in your cooking. Perfect. This goes straight in. Now we're ready. Oh, brilliant. Let's slice some yellowtail. With the belly, you don't want to go too thin because you want to have a bit of that beautiful bite from the fat. And of course, we score our last piece. Now, to that, we add some of our beautiful coriander. The star of the show, the umami-packed dressing. Because we've introduced so much acid in the dressing, make sure you only dress the sashimi just before serving. Otherwise, the acid would start to cook the sashimi and you'll end up with a Thai-style ceviche instead. Brilliant. And just to balance the spiciness, we pick a bit of mint. And that's it. An umami-packed plate with a bit of Thai flavors, a bit of Japanese techniques. This is yellowtail sashimi salad with Thai dressing. I really hope you enjoy.